Hello students, welcome again. Today we will revise our civics lesson 1 on equality. Students, we have completed the first part of this chapter in our previous video. So in this video we will only take the important points of this chapter. So students, watch the video till the end so that you can be able to know the important point of this chapter. Okay, so student, in the starting we were reading the story of Kanta. Okay, on equality we were reading about the Kanta. So Kanta, she was going to cast her vote, and she imagine that and she feel that ki everybody is standing with her from the all group of the society, like Manjit Kaur, who was a teacher, Teja Singh, a trader, Girish Rao, a student, Kanta Devi, domestic worker, and Kumari, domestic worker. They all belong from a different group society, and their occupation, their profession is different, but still they were standing with her. So then she feels that we have this equality in voting. यानी कि on election day, Kanta and her Sujata, when they were waiting to cast their vote, then they feel that for the voting and for the this type of work, we all are equal right to vote. यानी कि चाहे हम किसी भी ग्रुप से, किसी भी सोसाइटी से बिलोंग करते हों, वी हैव द राइट टू वोट इन इंडिया. And the story above begin with Kanta standing in the line to cast her vote, and if you will look again at the various people who are standing in the line with her, as you have seen that these people from all are different from each other, है ना, but they are standing together. So what is this showing? Then Kanta recognized her employer अशोक जैन, मीन्स who was her employer, जिनके घर पे वो काम करती थी एज ए सर्वेंट. तो अशोक जैन एंड छोटे लाल, हर नेबर, इज अ डेमोक्रेट. they were also standing in this row, and in a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, and what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. This, as you have already read in the class 6th book, is called universal adult franchises. आपने 6th में पढ़ा था ये, and is an essential aspect of all democracies. The idea of universal adult franchises is based on the idea of equality, because it states that every adult in a country, irrespective of their wealth and the communities he belongs to, has one vote. So Kanta is excited to vote and happy that she is equal to all of the other, because each of them has one vote. ठीक है, बट हमने फिर स्टोरी में हमने आगे पढ़ा था जैसे कि उसका दिन आगे गया, but as her day goes on, Kanta become less certain about what this equality really means. वहाँ पे तो उसे लगा कि that we all have equality because we all are standing in the same row for the voting. But what is it that make Kanta unsure? तो उसको अगर हम दोबारा देखें तो she lives in a slum, but her employer lives in a high class society and she has a drain behind her house. Her daughter is sick, but she cannot take the day off from work because she need to borrow money from her employers to take her child to doctor. Her job as a domestic help tires her out, and finally she ends her day by again standing in a long line. ठीक है, दोबारा वो हॉस्पिटल वाली लाइन में खड़ी हुई थी. एंड दिस लाइन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल इज अनलाइक द वन इन द मॉर्निंग, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल स्टैंडिंग इन इट आर पुअर. इन द वोटिंग लाइन everybody is standing from whether she is rich or poor, it doesn't matter, everybody is standing in the voting line. But in the government hospital line, only poor people were standing there. So then Kanta thought that what kind of equality is this? That then she thought that Jain Madan and Jain Sahib may stand in line to vote, but they never have to do it with their children, or when their children are sick. So what this show that how our society is unequal. ठीक है, तो what kind of equality is it then to think that Kanta is one of many people who live in democratic India and who have the right to vote, but whose daily living and working conditions are far from equal. Apart from being poor, people in India experience inequality in different way, है ना. So let us see what this mean by reading these stories. Each of these is based on a real incident in people's life and reflect the different kinds of inequality that exist in India. आप लोग भी observe करते होगे अपने घरों में. And one of the more common form of inequality in India is the caste system. Okay, if you live in rural India, your caste identity is something that you probably learned or experience very long. Okay, if you live in urban India, some of you might think that people no longer believe in caste, but if you will see that what is caste system and how people are divided because of this. So each of this based on each of these castes based on the social and cultural background of the people. So if you will look at these matrimonials shown from a leading English newspaper, and you will see how important the issue of caste continues to be in minds of highly educated urban Indians. Okay, so now then in other stories where about experience of a Dalit child attending school, you have already read about Dalits in class 6th. Dalit is a term that the so-called lower caste used to address themselves. Dalit. ओके, सो दलित क्या होता है. दलित जो लोअर कास्ट के जो लोग हैं वो खुद को शो करने के लिए, अपने आप को एड्रेस करने के लिए वो ये टर्म यूज़ करते हैं. दलित का मीन्स होता है ब्रोकन, एंड बाय यूजिंग दिस वर्ड लोअर कास्ट are pointing to how they were and continue to be seriously discriminated against. So Om Prakash Valmiki, this is an important name in your book. Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit, wrote his book Geography Juthan. He writes, I had to sit away from the others in the class and that chew on the floor, and that mat ran out before reaching the spot I sat on. Means Om Prakash Valmiki was a Dalit and he have to sit outside of the class and on the floor because he belongs from a Dalit family, and he was discriminated in society. So right near the door sometime they would beat me without any reason. ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि राइट्स दैट जब वो दरवाजे पे बैठते थे तो कई बार बच्चे उन्हें बीट कर देते थे, उन्हें मारते थे. एंड व्हेन ही वाज इन क्लास 4 द हेडमास्टर आस्क्ड ओम प्रकाश टू स्वीप द स्कूल एंड द प्लेग्राउंड. सपोज इफ़ हाउ ही फील्ड एट दैट टाइम, कि जब उसको हेडमास्टर ने बोला कि तुम प्ले ग्राउंड को साफ करो. ही राइट्स द प्ले ग्राउंड वॉज वेरी लार्ज देन माई स्मॉल फिजिक could handle, and in cleaning it, and my back began to ache. My face was covered with the dust had gone. उसके बाद उसके पूरे चेहरे पे डस्ट लगी थी वो ग्राउंड साफ करने के बाद. वो डस्ट तो चला गया. Dust had gone inside my mouth, and the other children in my class were studying and I was sweeping. Headmaster was sitting in his room and watching me. I was not even allowed to get a drink of water. I swept the whole day, from the doors and the windows of the schoolroom. The eyes of the teacher and the boys saw this spectacle. Om Prakash was made to sweep the school and the playground for the next couple of days, and this only came to an end when his father, who happened to be passing by, saw his son sweeping. He confronted the teacher and taken walking away from the school holding Om Prakash hand. उसके बाद ओम प्रकाश के फादर ने उन्हें स्कूल से हटवा दिया. He said loudly for all of them to hear, "You are a teacher, so I am leaving now. But remember this master. He will study right here in this school, and no just him, but there will be more coming after him." उस टाइम ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि के फादर ने बोला था दैट ही विल स्टडी राइट हेयर, वो यहाँ पढ़ेगा, एंड इन दिस स्कूल, एंड नॉट जस्ट हिम बट देयर विल बी मोर कमिंग आफ्टर हिम, कि इसके बाद और भी लोग आएंगे जो इसके जैसे ही, but there will be more coming after him. And if we will compare those stories, the second story is based on an incident that took place in one of middle large cities and in common practice in most part of the country. It is a story about Mr. and Mrs. Ansari who were looking to rent an apartment in the city. They had the money, and so paying the rent was no problem, and they went to property dealer for help to find a place, and the dealer informed them that he knew about quite a few apartments that were available for rent. They visited the first apartment, and the Ansari liked it very much and decided to take it. However, when the landlady found out their names, she made an excuse about how she could not rent the house to someone who ate meat because the building did not have any non-vegetarian resident. Both the Ansari and the property dealer were surprised to hear this because they could smell fish being cooked in the neighbor's house. The same excuse were repeated in the second and the third apartment. And finally, the property dealer told them that they might want to change their name and call themselves Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. The Ansari were reluctant to do this and decided to look some more in the end, and it took a whole month of looking at the apartment before they found a landlady who was willing to give them a place on rent. So because of their regional culture, and their regional background, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari was facing problems to find a room for them. Okay, so what students, in these three stories, what you can imagine about the equality? Where is the equality here? Can you imagine? Our constitution is giving us equality, but can you think that is this our India? Is this the way to treat people? If the constitution is giving us all the rights, and if we all are educated, then can you imagine, is it right or wrong? So we will read about it throughout the chapter. Okay, so let's start the key points. तो हमारे rights क्या हैं? What are our rights here in India? From these stories you can understand that rights are given by the constitution are not every people are not getting them same. So right, what is the rights? First of all, you have to understand that what means the right. What is the meaning of right? Right means those freedom which are essential for personal good for the of the community. Okay, तो right means for freedoms होते जो हम सबको मिलते हैं, and the rights guaranteed under the Constitution of India are fundamental as they have been incorporated into the fundamental law of the land and are enforceable in a court of law. And fundamental rights are those basic conditions of social life without which a citizen cannot be at his best self, or those basic confident which are very essential for the good life of a citizens. Okay, so for a good life of citizens, our constitution provides us fundamental rights like equality and other right to vote. So we have these are our rights, और वो हमें मिलने चाहिए. Rights of equality. What is equality? Equality का meaning क्या होता है? Means everybody should be treated same. Like doesn't matter it's a child, it's a young, it's a old, everybody is same. Okay, so if we will define equality, an ideal state where no kind of discrimination or inequality exist. What is equality? An ideal state where no kind of discrimination or inequality exist. So why is equality important? It is first, it is basic human right. ये सबको मिलना ही चाहिए. This is basic human right, and it help in ensuring wholesome development of every individual without any basis. For the development of individual, it is important, and for a democratic and secular country like India, it is all the more important. अगर democratic और secular country है, then it is तो वो तो सबसे ज़्यादा important है. Equal rights for all, equality for everyone. Means our constitution provide equal right for everyone. Means all human beings are born free and equal. This is universal declaration of human right, जो कि 1948 में हुआ था. क्योंकि हम सभी जब पैदा होते हैं when we all are born free and equal and universal declaration of human right means ये slavery को बैन करने के लिए था. Slavery means because of any caste some people are not treated well in the society and they became slave because of their birth. If they born in a slave family then they have to become a bond, but this was banned in 1948. So type of inequalities, हम society में कौन कौन सी inequalities देखते हैं. Type of inequalities: social political inequalities means gender inequality. Okay, gender inequality means you can see that in society sometimes girls and boys are not treated same way. So this is gender inequality. आप अपनी फैमिली में भी देखते होंगे कई बार हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारे सोसाइटी में दैट यू आर अ बॉय, यू आर अ गर्ल, गर्ल्स कैन नॉट डू दिस, राइट. सो एंड इनइक्वालिटी इन फैमिली में भी होती है दैट mothers have different right, father have different rights. So inequality in family also. Education inequality: some children are getting education right, some children are not going to school. Class inequality, caste inequality, urban and rural inequality, women inequality in decision making and political participation inequality, etc. These are social पॉलिटिकल इनइक्वालिटी. और इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटीज़ की अगर हम बात करें तो इनमें आ जाते हैं हमारे एम्प्लॉयमेंट इनइक्वालिटी, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इनइक्वालिटी, पोवर्टी इनइक्वालिटी, वेजेस एंड एजेस इनइक्वालिटी, इनकम इनइक्वालिटी, लेबर फोर्स इनइक्वालिटी, एक्सेट्रा. एंड हेल्थ इनइक्वालिटीज़, हेल्थ डिस्पैरिटीज़, न्यूट्रिशन inequalities, healthcare inequalities, food intake disparities inequalities, etc. Okay, so these are some inequalities which are in our society. Inequalities versus equality in society. Type of inequality in society, that gender discrimination, based judgment and caste system, regional intolerance, difference between rich and poor, different attitude towards minorities. मतलब जो ग्रुप कम है जिस सोसाइटी में उनके साथ डिफ्रेंशिएट किया जाता है. एंड डिफरेंट ट्रीटमेंट टुवार्ड्स डिसेबल पीपल एंड बॉन्डेड लेबर. So these are some type of inequality in society and kind of equality that should exist. इनकी जगह पे हमारे सोसाइटी में क्या होना चाहिए, दैट जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जो होता है, मतलब जेंडर के दैट डू यू आर अ बॉय, यू आर अ गर्ल, गर्ल्स कैन नॉट डू दिस जॉब, बॉय कैन डू ओनली दिस जॉब. सो जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन की जगह हमारी सोसाइटी में होना चाहिए इट शुड बी इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ, बाइस्ड जजमेंट, इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट टू गर्ल को भी वैसे ही ट्रीट करना चाहिए. तो सो इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट टू गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़. रीजनल इंटॉलरेंस होता है जो सोसाइटी में, दैट यू आर हिंदू, यू आर मुस्लिम, यू आर क्रिश्चियन, सिख, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट अ गुड थिंग. रीजनल टॉलरेंस की जगह पे हमारी सोसाइटी में होना चाहिए सेक्युलरिज्म, वेयर ऑल रिलीजन्स दैट रिस्पेक्ट डिफरेंट बिटवीन रिच एंड पुअर. तो इसकी जगह पे क्या होना चाहिए, इक्वेलिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ऑल द पीपल आर नॉट गेटिंग इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज, दैट्स वाई ये रिच और पुअर का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है. बट इसके लिए हमें सभी को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलनी चाहिए सोसाइटी में फॉर देयर डेवलपमेंट. डिफरेंट ट्रीटमेंट्स टू आर डिसेबल पीपल, जो ट्रीटमेंट होता है डिसेबल पीपल के साथ एंड बॉन्डेड लेबर, इसकी जगह पे एम्फेथेटिक एटीट्यूड टू आर डिसेबल पीपल. वी शुड चेंज अवर एटीट्यूड्स टुवार्ड्स देम. दे आर ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी, दे आर ऑल्सो born in this country, so they have all the equal right as other citizens of the country. So we have to change our thinking that inequality versus equality in society. How are rights ensured? Right कैसे ensured होते हैं? Constitution of India and the preamble. Our preamble gives us our rights, our preamble and our constitutions also. So our constitution guarantees us fundamental rights. The fundamental rights, the 6 fundamental rights of Indian citizens are declared in the Constitution of India. Are what are these fundamental rights जो हमें सबको मिलने चाहिए? That are the fundamental. What are these fundamental rights? Right to equality, right to freedom, rights against exploitation, cultural and educational right, right to freedom of religion, right to constitutional remedies. तो हमें ये rights मिलने चाहिए. These are our rights. Okay, so initially there are 7 fundamental rights, but right to property was later converted into legal right by the 44th amendment of the constitution in 1978. So these rights are very important. Okay, और ये हम सबको मिले हुए हैं. That right to equality. If anybody is discriminated anywhere in this country, they can complain against in police station that their fundamental right is violated, and the people who are doing this should be punished. Do you know about a new edition of the list of fundamental right? Fundamental rights में बहुत सारी other things also included in these fundamental rights. What are these things? In India, children too have fundamental rights. A child in India has a fundamental right. बच्चों को भी कुछ fundamental rights मिले हैं, जिनमें से बहुत सारे राइट्स आ जाते हैं. बट मिलियन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन इन द कंट्री लैक द फ्रीडम टू एक्सरसाइज दीज राइट्स. तो उनमें बच्चों के लिए जो फंडामेंटल राइट्स हैं, दीज आर राइट टू एजुकेशन, राइट टू प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम अब्यूज़, राइट टू प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम नेग्लेक्ट, राइट टू नेम एंड नेशनैलिटी, राइट टू सर्वाइवल, राइट टू न्यूट्रिशन, राइट टू डेवलपमेंट. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ राइट विच जो आपको मिलते हैं, बच्चों को मिलते हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में. चिल्ड्रंस के राइट्स है जो. राइट टू एजुकेशन इज़ वन ऑफ देम. सो व्हाट इज़ राइट टू एजुकेशन एंड व्हाई इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट? यू हैव द राइट टू गो टू स्कूल. ये आपका अधिकार है, आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता दैट फ्रॉम गोइंग टू स्कूल, एंड एवरी चिल्ड्रन have the right. But sometime you have seen that some children are working in some places and they have no right to votes. And what is right to education? Right of children to free and compulsory education act India. इंडिया में बच्चों के लिए फ्री एजुकेशन का राइट बनाया गया था. That dated on 1 April 2010. What it gives? Provides for free and compulsory education to all children of age of 6 to 14 years. Okay, so this was done by Ministry of Human Resources Development when Kapil Sibal was there, and so this was an important right. And if any children their parents are not sending them school, then they can complain. Anybody from his neighbor also can complain against it. Okay, so right to equality में आता है आपका constitutional provision. कौन कौन से हमारे articles है जो हमें equalities दिलाते हैं? These are very important points. First one is the articles. right to equality के लिए जो हमारे articles हैं, equality before law, ये article 14 के अंदर आ जाता है हमारा. that equality before law, before the law we all are equal. Okay, in the court we all have the same rights. Article 15 prohibition of discrimination on ground of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. ये हमें आर्टिकल 15 से मिलता है कि हमारे साथ कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होगा. आर्टिकल 16 इक्वलिटी ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी इन मैटर ऑफ पब्लिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट, इक्वलिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी इन मैटर ऑफ पब्लिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट. और सभी को पब्लिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट में सेम अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दी जाएंगी. ओके, आर्टिकल 16 बोलता है कि किसी के साथ कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए जॉब्स में. ऑल हैव द राइट टू गिव द एग्जाम्स रिलेटेड टू जॉब, टू फिल द फॉर्म. ओके, आर्टिकल 17 अबॉलिशन ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी, अनटचेबिलिटी को अबॉलिश करता है आर्टिकल 17. अनटचेबिलिटी को बैन कर दिया गया है इंडिया में, और वो आर्टिकल 17 में लिखा है. आर्टिकल 18 अबॉलिशन ऑफ टाइटल्स, मीन्स कोई किसी को कोई टाइटल्स नहीं देगा, कोई किसी को अब्यूज़ नहीं करेगा. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अबॉलिशन ऑफ टाइटल्स. तो दैट इज़ इन आर्टिकल 18. ओके, So universal adult franchises is also an important part of this chapter. Universal adult franchises, as you have already studied it in 6th class, the constitution provides for a universal adult franchises. It means that every citizen who is 18 years of age or more is entitled to cast his her vote irrespective of his caste, creed, sex, religion or place of birth. And one other thing, our constitution says that no discrimination on basis of religion. All the religions are same, and India is a secular country. Equality before law means कानून, इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ मीन्स लॉ के सामने सभी को सेम ट्रीट किया जाएगा. एंड अबोलिशन ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट. अबोलिशन ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी एंड इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ, दिस यू हैव रीड दैट कि ये कौन से आर्टिकल्स में आते हैं, आपसे पूछा जा सकता है. दैट अबोलिशन ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी इन आर्टिकल 17, ओके, एंड इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ is in article 14. Students, you have to learn these important articles of this chapter also, so remember them. Gender equality is also a part of our fundamental right. And students, you have to answer these questions. Question 2, ponder why is universal adult franchises important in a democracy. You can think about it, and you have to write these questions in your notebook also. List the provision of constitution for recognition of inequalities. What do you mean by the term all are equal before the law? Why do you think it is important in a democracy? So students, answer this question in your notebook by yourself.